welcome or welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be trouble. So what are we getting ourselves into trouble with today? I started my Ipsy backup because, well, Boxycharm is no more and they did the merger thing and now it's like Boxycharm by Ipsy or some baloney. Anyways, if you want to see what I got, go ahead and stick around.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Alright, so before we get into what I got in the box, let's see what I ordered from the pop-up. I had ordered two things from the pop-up. One was some kind of algae retinol skincare thing from Selfless by Hiram. And I ordered the Pat McGrath cheek palette. The serum never came. I only got the palette. And I had to contact them and say, hey, where's my serum? They're like, oh, well, we don't have that anymore. So we'll just give you a refund. I'm like, okay, well, why did you sell it to me if you didn't have it in stock? You need to keep better track of your stock. Anyways, grumpy. So I wanted to try the Pat McGrath blushes. So I grabbed up the cheek palette. And there are 4 beautiful blushes and a nice highlighter. I am excited to try those out. And now for the box. We got paper squiggles, some big flyer thing. Okay, it says Boxycharm by Ipsy, same great subscription you know and love, now with more perks than ever. Oh, and just so you know, Ipsy, I doubt they're watching, but if you ever get around to watching, your pop-up shop sucks. Like, something I was paying $10 for, you're now charging $23 for, and I'm not going to be buying from it anymore. Like, that's crazy. So, this is what I got. They didn't give me any more information than just the boxes here, so it is what it is. Alright, we've got from Mud Masky, Vitamin Infused Eye Serum, Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, and Firming. I'm good with an eye cream. I like that. From Formula Z, we got the Unisexy Setting Spray. Doesn't smell like anything, but it's a decent sprayer. Didn't spit on me. We can use that. Then we got the LYS Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. It's an odd packaging. It opens up from the side. Alright, and this is the component. Alright, that is the... Alright, and this is the color. Let me see how this buffs out. Well, hopefully you don't have any dry spots, because it goes right into those. But it's alright, I guess. It seems like it might be a little orangey. We'll give it a try. Alright, and then we have Drunk Elephant Oblus Rosy Drops Fortifying Blush. I have a cleanser from them, a small one. It's just a cleanser. And this is the... There we go. Alright, I'm going to... There we go. Put a little bloopy on my hand. Alright, it seems like it's a blush topper. Let me see if I can build this up. Yeah, it's very luminous. Not very pigmented without adding a large amount of it. But we will try. Maybe we'll just use it as like an additive over my other cream blushes. Alright, and then we got the Natasha Denona Alloy Palette, and it came in this little thing here. And this is the palette. Very neutral, but still very beautiful. And I think that I will quite enjoy using that. Alright, so, love eye cream. Like the blush. It's kind of a take it or leave it. Kinda iffy on trying this. And we'll see. So, probably give it like a 3.5 out of 5. I guess the thing is I mean, I feel like I should give them a chance to get better. Give them a few months to see where they're going to go with this. There's something else in this Drunk Elephant box. Huh. It's a little sample. Lala Retro Whipped Cream Rescue and Recover 6 African Oils Ceramide. Apply anytime to clean dry skin. Mix with any Drunk Elephant serum or oil as a part of total skincare solution. And that was inside the little blush box. That's kind of cool. Okay. I'm excited to try that. But I think that I'm going to give them the chance to get better. I mean, you know, you're not going to knock it out of the park every time, the first time around. So, hey, I don't know. If they're not going to get any better than this, I probably won't keep them. It just seems like a waste of money. Alright, so if you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.